Everything in this world happens for a reason, and everything happens when the time is absolutely accurate. So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. I think you must be thinking ki why have I started my video with this line, because I just want to tell you that you all are waiting desperately for your results of IP University. Not only you, rather we all are also waiting, because after reading your comments we are also getting so desperate ki when our children get their results and all. But I think IP University has gone to sleep for a long time. Nobody knows the reason, what is the logic behind that, what is the reason behind that, or what is the strategy of the university, nobody knows. So actually the most important thing is that counseling dates are on 10th of October and today is 8th of October. And till date there is no notification related to results. Even they have not bothered to make it clear to the aspirants that when will the results be announced. So this is highly unprofessional on the part of this big and reputed institute, I think. But one thing I want to tell you all guys here, that actually earlier we all asked you not to fill the counseling forms. But now we can see that the things are getting out of our hands and it is already very late. One possibility is there that because the university has not declared its results till date, so definitely they will have to extend their dates for counseling registration. But suppose it does not happen, then what will you do? Then there will be the problem of last minute rush. Everybody would be filling the forms and then definitely there will be a problem of server. So here one piece of advice for all of you, that go ahead and fill your forms. Especially those who have got good scores, they can fill the forms for registration. And earlier actually we were asking you not to fill the forms because we didn't want that the hard earned money of anybody should be wasted. But now there is no other option, rather you can fill your forms. And one more thing, if your scores are really very less, like suppose your scores are 70, 80 or even below that, then you can do one thing, that you can do rest of the process. Means you can upload your documents, your reservation certificates or whatever things are required, you can do that much part, and payment you can stop. Means you can save all the details, because that is also a very long process. The form is also very lengthy, so you should know this thing. So it will take lot of time. So now this is high time that all of you should fill the forms, and no further delay will be affordable. So better go and fill your forms. And so at last I wish you luck. I want that all of you should get admission in good colleges, means whatever, wherever you want, and your ranks are also very good. So best of luck all of you. So if you have been watching my videos and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do it fast. And if you are new to the channel, then also you should subscribe to it, because on daily basis we are bringing new videos for all of you. And yes, you can follow Kingdom of Learning on Instagram also. Link will be provided in the description box.